Okay. So we're gonna see what happens. I already kind of marked this up. It had a little pre-break on Nasdaq. US30 is looking real ugly, but we'll see what the open brings us in 5 minutes. Yesterday was a little weird. I tried to stream on YouTube, but it did not start. So I actually took a loss, a real red day. But I moved the account, so it is now like I deposited a little bit into it, so now it's 322, where it should be today. So we're just gonna continue this little road to a million. I probably will deposit into it. I am gonna withdraw, so I'm not like doing a very strict 100 to 1 million challenge, but we're not gonna deposit a whole hell of a lot of money in this account. I'll put all my money in other accounts and play with those. But, you know, this one, we're really trying to just lock in and build it, see how far we can go with it. If we get to a million, cool. If we get to a couple 100,000, it's fine too, you know. But, that's where we're at. So let's just see what the open brings us. This is running. Jesus, look at that. Yeah, we got a little top, little resistance here. Here's the bottom of this. I'd like to see something break through here. We will see what happens. This needs a little pullback, or this definitely pullback before we actually take it by. But it could come crashing down too. We've seen this where it had like a pre-break and then it completely reverses direction. You know, we had this huge move. So like we could get a retracement of half of that, bounce off of this section, and then for later. We're not involved that long. Scalp. We are just gonna watch and see. We're gonna watch and see what happens. More minute. We'll open. Just gonna be okay with whatever the market wants to give us today. Not gonna get too greedy, but at the same time, if it looks like it's flying, I am gonna hold that thing and just trail the stop loss. So another minute and a half. I was streaming on TikTok the last few days, but I'm not streaming on TikTok today. Just here, so that's it. Less than a minute now. See how this opens. I'm actually gonna move this here because this was like support before it had London session highs, and it was previous resistance. Even from yesterday's session, this previous resistance where it tapped and you know, yeah. Mm, Just the open. just came down. We are open. Buying US30. That's the position on US30. There we go. If it comes back, I took the risk off. Oh, yeah. Okay, if it keeps going, I'll get into another position. I seen that, wanted to kind of wick down again, and it went right back into the zone here. I might buy it again. Come on. Come on. I mean, that push. I just got into another buy because it does look like it wants to keep pushing. No. Wants to yank it. Okay, that's okay though. Oh. Alright, well, I took a loss on that one. Let's see. We're gonna see what the market wants to give us after that. If it wants to give us anything, we'll take it. If not, then we'll be okay with that loss today, and we'll move on to next week. I might trade tomorrow. Just because it's been choppy for a couple days, I think Friday might be, Friday might be a little nicer to us. I just want some clear direction. This is just, it's sketchy right now because it wants to push up and then wick all the way back down. Long term, it still might buy. This had the retracement and now wants to break out maybe again. Like it wants to come down and test this. I think I'm gonna probably trade NASDAQ, but we're gonna wait and see what happens. US30 is being weird as fuck. Market's moving like they're on crack again. Alright, where are we going? Being super patient right now because there's no movement. This is like the top now that it created. This breaks this, it broke this. If it breaks this trend line, I'm gonna take a sell on NASDAQ. Breaks through that trend line now. Take a little sell on NASDAQ. Moving a little slow right now, but it is moving. Just want to see some continuation here past this trend line. If it breaks all of this, that would be great. This keeps going. We need a little more volume to come in and just drop this candle. But if it does, like I said earlier, right when it opened, right before open, not, I'm not in love with the trade, but if it does follow, a little follow through and break through the floor, there's a lot of potential there. So see that came up and tapped the previous support, now resistance. Need a little bit more of a follow through here. A little bit more of a follow through to keep momentum going. There's another rejection. Oh, here we go. Maybe we got something. Maybe we get something. I need to follow through this. It breaks and pushes past this now. Come on. Yeah, I want it to follow through this, otherwise we're gonna close this trade. There's no move. This is actually ticking off. I could have just stayed in that first trade and just gave it that little bit of extra cushion, but it's okay. That's what trading. That's what trading's all about. Come on. Lose that for me for that 5 minute. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Needed that nice fat bar. Let's drop through this. Come on. Okay. I need this to reject this though. It rejects this. I need it to reject that trend line and break down further. The 5 minutes is yanking it all the way back up. Oh, horrible. Alright. Alright. That's fine. If we took a loss, we took like, 30% loss on this day. Now this is fucking going. Yeah, this is very weird market conditions right now. I might just be done for the day. I might just be done for the day. Look at this. Literally just tapped this zone and fucking shot all back up. If this does sell again, I'm gonna take a sell again. Fuck it. Come on. Markets are very weird today. Been very weird for like today and yesterday. But we're just gonna move this down a bit. See if it'll fall through. Come on. Just wanna see the big move, but if it don't happen, it don't happen. We're gonna see though, because this literally broke the trend line, came back and retested and rejected it. But it could just be choppy until we're just gonna risk it. Fuck it. So choppy right now. It's crazy. Like wants to go down, come up, go down, come up. It has volume, but just not in one clear direction. And this is literally coming back down to test here. Yeah, I just got into a second position on NASDAQ, and we will see what happens. If we lose, we lose. This is crazy. I think it's gonna have the follow through though. I only have one take profit set. Come on, don't fucking yank me. Let's just reject this again. Reject this again, go down. Yeah, this is crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna take the loss probably, but it's okay. Tomorrow we're gonna fucking build this account back up, so it does not matter. I don't give a shit what happens here. Come on. Reject that. Come back down. Nah, it wants to tap me out. That's fine. Okay. That's okay. Look at this price action. This is crazy. Yep. Today was not a great day, but it's okay because we are gonna come back next week. We are gonna make some money in the account and everything. You know, after this choppy week, whew, I think next week's gonna have some clear direction. So this is crazy. Like this usually when you have these big ass trend lines, this much bullish movement, usually it has this big move down to like recap, you know, kind of retrace like at least half the move, 2/3 of the move, sometimes come down all the way here, and then it has to move up. But yeah, that's just how it goes sometimes. Well, I'm gonna end this. I don't think I'm gonna take any more trades today. So weird. Yeah, I don't even want to take a buy after this. You see, like if this wanted to break through, yeah, it's just gonna chop again. Yeah, it's just gonna chop again. This is crazy. You gotta be super quick on the draw if you want to make money on these markets. Super quick on the draw. But yeah, that's alright. We made good money last week. We did have a chop day on Friday that kind of fucked us up, but you know, there was clear direction all week, so I'm not even gonna be mad at this. It's just one of those things. All right, well, hope you guys didn't risk your whole account. You watching? I risked a little, you know. I have high risk, yes, but we're gonna have some clear direction next week and make that money back. That's that simple.